Matplotlib, as I mentioned earlier, is a popular data visualization library for Python, and the reason we're going to use it is because it's fairly easy to use, and out of many Python data visualization libraries, it's the most commonly used one. With matplotlib, you'll be able to create many different types of charts, including scatter plots, bar charts, and line charts or time series. So let's see how to create a line chart with matplotlib and how to save a chart that you created as an image file. To use matplotlib, you'll first need to import the pyplot module from the matplotlib library. You can do this with from matplotlib import pyplot as POT. This says import the pyplot module from the matplotlib library and call it POT. Note here that the pyplot module is just a simple interface for using matplotlib. Once pyplot is imported, you can create a plot with plot parentheses square brackets 1 2 3 comma square brackets 1 4 9. This says create a plot with 1 2 3 on the x-axis and 1 4 9 on the y-axis. To show this plot, you need to write plot.show and run this cell. I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut for running a cell here, Shift Enter. You can add labels for the x-axis and the y-axis as well with plot.xlabel, this is x-axis, and plot.ylabel, this is y-axis. You can add a title with plot.title. And you can see that the plot is updated with the axis labels and the title. It's also possible to put multiple lines on the same plot by calling plot.plot multiple times. To clarify which line represents what, you can just add a legend with plot.legend. Let's call these two datasets, dataset 1 and dataset 2. Note that plot.legend takes a list of strings as an argument. Once you run this cell again, you'll see the legend. Now, there are two ways to export a plot that you created as an image. The first method is just by downloading the image using the browser's built-in function. For example, in Chrome, you can right-click on an image and click Save Image As. Another way to save a plot as an image is by using the plt.savefig function. Instead of calling plt.show, just call plt.savefig. This function takes a file name as an argument, so let's call the exported file exported image. And when you run this cell, this file is exported as a PNG image in the same directory as the Jupyter notebook file that you're editing. In the next video, we'll learn how to use pandas to create a new data frame object.